In section 4B, we're going to look at adding and subtracting radicals. Now, some rules about adding and subtracting radicals. You have to have, in order to combine them, you kind of think of like algebraic terms. You had to have the same variable, same exponent on them. Well, with radicals, in order to add or subtract, you have to have the same number under the radical in order to combine them. Now, many times we have to simplify individual radicals first. So we're going to do number 15 here first. If I look at square root 6, well, 6 is 3 times 2, so there's no pairs I can pull out being a square root. But with 20, okay, if I break down 20 here, 20 is 4 times 5, 5 is prime, and then it's 2 times 2. So there's a pair of 2's. So I'm going to leave this as negative 3 radical 6. I'm going to pull out a 2 for my breakdown of 20. That 5 here goes back underneath, so it's radical 5. And then 54 I need to break down. 54 is 27 times 2, 3 times 9, and 3 times 3. So notice I've got a pair of 3's, so I can pull out a 3. I have this 3 and this 2 left to go back under the radical. I'm going to multiply them back together. So that's a 6 under the radical. So now I have 3 radical terms. Negative 3 radical 6 minus 2 radical 5 minus 3 radical 6. These two are like radical terms. They're both square root 6 terms. So just like algebraically, if I had negative 3x minus 3x, I combine the negative 3's out in front to give me negative 6x. Well, I combine my coefficients in front of the radical, so it's negative 6, and it stays radical 6, just like this stayed an x, and then I have the minus 2 radical 5. So it's negative 6 radical 6 minus 2 radical 5.